13 Powerful Reasons Why Rosemary is Your Body's Best Friend. Rosemary, scientifically known as Rosmarinus officinalis, is a fragrant evergreen herb native to the Mediterranean region. Renowned for its culinary and aromatic uses, rosemary has also been celebrated for its medicinal properties for centuries. Modern research supports many of the traditional health claims, making rosemary a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. In this video, we explore the various health benefits of rosemary and the science behind them. Before we proceed, please note that everything mentioned in this video is unbiased, fact-checked, and reviewed by qualified health professionals. Number 1. Pain relief. Historically, rosemary has been used to alleviate pain as a natural analgesic. Recent findings from a 2020 review highlight its potential effectiveness in managing neuropathic pain, which is pain resulting from nerve damage or malfunction. In terms of antibacterial properties, a 2019 study on animals revealed that essential oil from rosemary can expedite the healing of infected wounds. It's important for individuals to avoid applying undiluted essential oil directly on the skin or into open wounds. Consulting a healthcare professional is advisable for anyone considering using rosemary oil for pain relief and wound healing. Number 2. Supports oral health. Compounds found in rosemary, known as phytochemicals, are thought to possess antibacterial properties that target and neutralize the bacteria causing halitosis or bad breath. Using a warm water solution with a single drop of rosemary oil for gargling can defend against further oral issues, such as tooth decay and gingival inflammation. A clinical trial involving participants using toothpaste infused with rosemary extract, compared to those using standard toothpaste, revealed that the former group experienced reduced gum bleeding and plaque accumulation. Number 3. Hair growth. Historically, rosemary has been utilized to promote the growth of hair. There was a study involving 84 individuals suffering from alopecia areata, a condition characterized by hair loss, usually in patches, who applied a mix of rosemary and other essential oils, such as lavender, thyme, and cedarwood, to their scalp daily for 7 months. These individuals noticed a notable increase in hair growth compared to participants who did not use the essential oils for scalp massage. Number 4. Therapeutic compounds. Extracts from rosemary are known for their antioxidative and antimicrobial effects, which are attributed to the plant's chemical components. These include phenolic acids, flavonoids, and diterpenoids. Rosemary serves as a natural preservative in various foods, notably in preventing the oxidation and spoilage of meats like beef and pork, as well as certain oils. A research study from 2018 highlights that rosemary could potentially replace synthetic antioxidants used in food and drinks because of its proficiency in extending the freshness of products. The same study notes that the efficacy of rosemary in food preservation relies on how it is extracted and the potency of the active substances used. Number 5. Neurological protection. Rosemary is rich in carnosic acid, a compound known to protect against neuronal damage caused by free radicals. Research indicates that the aroma of rosemary essential oil might enhance test scores among students and boost cognitive function in Alzheimer's patients. Additionally, aromatic massage therapies using this oil have been found to potentially alleviate nerve discomfort and enhance the life quality for individuals suffering from diabetes. Number 6. Nutrition facts. Rosemary is notably abundant in phytochemicals. Although phytochemicals are not vital for survival like vitamins and minerals, but they play a significant role in disease prevention and overall health maintenance. The phytochemicals present in rosemary are believed to support eye health, aid in regulating liver function, and decrease the risk of developing asthma. Moreover, rosemary is an excellent source of pantothenic acid, niacin, thiamine, folate, and riboflavin. A single sprig of rosemary yields 3.9 calories, 0.1 grams of protein, 0.2 grams of fat, 0.6 grams of carbohydrates, 0.4 grams of fiber, and contains no sugar. Number 7. Potential cognitive advantages. Research indicates that consuming rosemary could have positive effects on brain health. A study in 2018 revealed that adults who drank water infused with rosemary extract showed improved cognitive performance. Additionally, a study from 2013 found that extracts from rosemary leaves could potentially help in the treatment and prevention of dementia. Moreover, research from 2012 suggests that rosemary could enhance cognitive functioning in the elderly. Number 8. Enhancement of mood and sleep quality. There is modest support for the idea that consuming high doses of rosemary supplements might enhance mood and sleep in healthy individuals. A small study conducted in 2017 showed that university students who took 1,000 milligrams of rosemary daily for 1 month experienced significant reductions in anxiety and depression symptoms and reported better sleep quality compared to those who received a placebo. Number 9. Potential cancer treatment. A study review from 2020 suggests that rosemary may play a role in both the prevention and treatment of cancer. This review includes various laboratory and animal experiments demonstrating that rosemary can block cancer-causing agents, boost the activity of enzymes, fight antioxidants, lessen inflammation that encourages tumor growth, and inhibit the growth of tumors themselves. Number 10. Promotes digestive health. Traditionally, rosemary has been used alongside lamb due to its ability to enhance bile production from the liver, which is essential for fat digestion. Research conducted on mice indicates that extracts from rosewine may decrease inflammation within the digestive system, hinting at potential benefits for individuals with inflammatory bowel conditions, such as IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. Moreover, practitioners of naturopathy frequently suggest drinking rosemary tea to alleviate indigestion symptoms, including bloating, gas, and abdominal spasms. Number 11. Natural antibiotic. Owing to its therapeutic qualities, rosemary possesses antibacterial properties. It is particularly effective against bacteria like Escherichia coli, Salmonella typhi, Salmonella enterica, and Shigella sonnei, which are often linked to urinary infections, as well as symptoms like vomiting and diarrhea. Number 12. Fibromyalgia. Previously, it was believed that rosemary might alleviate fibromyalgia symptoms. However, recent studies indicate that a mixture containing rosemary, hops, and oleanolic acid does not actually provide relief from fibromyalgia symptoms. Number 13. Gum disease. Recent studies have found that using a herbal mouthwash that includes rosemary among other components can reduce gum swelling and bleeding in individuals suffering from gum disease if used twice a day following meals over a period of 2 weeks. Well, that is all about the health benefits of rosemary. However, here are some frequently asked questions about rosemary. Let's check it out. Question 1. Is it safe to consume raw rosemary? You can eat the leaves of rosemary either when they are fresh or after they have been dried. It is commonly used in the form of tea or as a flavoring in infused oils. Question 2. What is the best way to consume rosemary? Utilizing rosemary can vary. It can be added directly to dishes during the cooking process, or alternatively, one can prepare rosemary tea. This involves simmering the herb in boiling water and consuming the beverage once it's steeped. Question 3. Can I take rosemary on an empty stomach? Your freshly made rosemary tea is now ready for consumption. For optimal health benefits, it's advisable to have a cup of this fragrant concoction every morning before breakfast. Feel free to adjust the rosemary concentration to better match your flavor preference. Question 4. Can I drink rosemary tea at night? Certainly, don't overlook the benefits of a soothing cup of rosemary tea at bedtime. The pleasant aroma and its potential to alleviate stress can ease your mind and body, preparing you for a restful sleep. Consider it a natural way to promote sleep without causing sleepiness. Question 5. What is the best way to drink rosemary? To enjoy rosemary tea, start by adding a teaspoon of dried rosemary leaves to boiling water. You can also use a tea infuser to hold the leaves. Let them steep in the water for 5 to 10 minutes, based on your taste preference. After steeping, filter out the rosemary using a fine mesh strainer, or simply remove the infuser. Question 6. What are the healing properties of rosemary? It possesses anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antimicrobial, anti-cancer, pain-relieving, and neuroprotective qualities. Additionally, rosemary can significantly impact mood, learning, memory, pain management, anxiety, and sleep. Question 7. How much rosemary is safe to take daily? When it comes to daily consumption, the amount of rosemary considered safe can vary, as there is no standard clinical dosage suggested, due to the lack of sufficient clinical evidence. Traditionally, either 2 grams of chopped rosemary leaves steeped in water, or 2 to 4 grams of rosemary shoots are used. Question 8. How do you use rosemary in cooking? Rosemary can be used fresh, or dried in a variety of dishes. It pairs well with roasted meats, particularly lamb, chicken, and pork. It can also be added to soups, stews, potatoes, and vegetables. Fresh sprigs can be used to infuse oils and vinegar. Question 9. Can rosemary be used for medicinal purposes? Yes, rosemary has been used traditionally for various medicinal purposes. It is believed to help with digestion, relieve muscle pain, boost memory, and support the immune system. However, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before using it as a treatment. Question 10. Are there any side effects of using rosemary? Rosemary is generally safe when used in culinary amounts. However, consuming large quantities, or using highly concentrated rosemary oil, can cause side effects such as vomiting, spasms, or even coma. Pregnant women, breastfeeding mothers, and people with certain medical conditions should consult a healthcare provider before using rosemary supplements or essential oil. Question 11. Can rosemary be used in aromatherapy? Yes, rosemary essential oil is commonly used in aromatherapy. It is believed to help reduce stress, improve mental clarity, and alleviate respiratory problems. It can be diffused into the air, added to bath water, or used in massage oils when properly diluted. Question 12. What is the best rosemary oil brand in the market? Miel Organics is considered one of the best rosemary oil brands in the world. However, there are also some prominent brands including Kate Blanc Cosmetics, Heritage Store, SVA Organics, Maple Holistics, Handcraft Blends, Botanic Hearth, and Soulflower. Question 12. What is the best rosemary oil for hair growth? The best rosemary oil for hair growth can depend on several factors, including purity, ingredients, and personal preferences. You can go for Miel Organics Rosemary Mint Scalp and Hair Strengthening Oil. For your better understanding, we will share the link in the product section or video description. Well, that's the end of the video. Thanks for tuning in to Benefit Hub for your dose of health and wellness tips. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, so let's keep investing in it together. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, stay healthy and stay happy. See you in the next video.